So you want to go to Mars. How do we send humans to deep space? In order for humans to explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond, we need safe, flexible, and powerful systems that will make it all possible. We start with the world's largest spaceport. At Kennedy Space Center, we have all the buildings and tools needed to assemble and launch space vehicles, and have the teams in place to recover the astronauts when they come home to Earth. Next up, we need a deep space rocket. This is NASA's Space Launch System. It will be the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built, and it has the muscle to lift people and all of the equipment needed for missions to new worlds. The Space Launch System will blast off with the crew in the Orion spacecraft. The most advanced spacecraft ever built for human exploration, Orion provides the life support, power, communications, and other systems to safely transport astronauts on a variety of exploration missions, like to the Moon. In lunar orbit, we will learn to live and work in a deep space environment, something we have never done before. In future missions, NASA's Gateway will be a place for astronauts to live, work, and prepare for missions deeper into the solar system. There you have it, NASA's Deep Space Exploration Systems, charting our new future in space. To find out more about deep space exploration, visit this NASA website.